morning, all of you, and my respected teachers. My name is Anmol Kumar from class 5th B. Today, I will show you an experiment here exact expression. For this experiment, we need one glass and one cardboard and some water. So, first we will fill the glass with the water. Now I will take this cardboard and I place this cardboard on the surface of the glass.